The spy shots suggest that the Mahindra Thar has grown considerably in size, moving to its second generation. A wider body lends it a better stance. The all-new model will be a more comfort-oriented vehicle which can be driven on a daily basis, unlike the outgoing model which is seen as a secondary vehicle. By making the Thar a better daily runner, Mahindra will achieve greater sales as it will appeal to a wider set of audience. The all-new Mahindra Thar has been built on a more robust lighter frame chassis and makes use of a stronger body structure which makes it safer and capable enough to pass the upcoming BNV SAP crash test norms, which will be seen in action from the 1st of October 2019. This lighter frame chassis will be the basis of the 2020 Mahindra Scorpio. In terms of safety, the 2020 Mahindra Thar will feature front, ABS driver airbag, rear parking sensors, speed alert system and more as standard. It will likely break cover at Auto Expo 2020. If you like this video, please give it a like. Also subscribe to the Motor Street channel.